Do you have a garage that you'd like to get some heat into? Maybe you built an addition on the home and you have a garage. You might want to turn it into a workshop, or maybe you have an electric car or something that you need to keep a little bit warmer when it gets really cold out. Or maybe you want to put a gym in that space. Maybe it's a detached garage and you're thinking of doing something with it. Well, I got a call this morning and the fella said, can I come out and have a look at how we can heat this? I don't know if he wants cooling as well, but he mentioned a ductless mini split. A ductless mini split is a really economical way to heat and cool a space, especially if you're doing things that require maintaining a certain temperature pretty much year round. So I'm going to have a look at it. I'll take some videos and maybe I'll be able to show you what he's showing me. I have no idea what I've been running into yet. We only had a short conversation. I always like to see things in the beginning. Gives me a good idea to maybe make a few suggestions, and also to hear what he has to say and what his plans are for the long term. What he's planning to do with the space might make a big difference on what we do as far as heating it and possibly cooling it as well. The funny part is, I don't even know what I'm talking about right now because I haven't seen it. Okay, I just finished up with Alex. He's the contractor that built this addition onto this property. So I was wrong with what I was saying earlier. It's not for the garage space. The new garage was built because the roof had collapsed on the old garage. So they built a new garage and they built a space above it, which is going to be a separate office for the owner of the property. Cool little spot. He's got 266 square feet and he's got a bathroom up there. So he's completely separated from the rest of the house so he can work up there. And we're going to put in a console style, so floor mounted ductless mini split system. All he needs is enough to heat and cool that space, but he wants it to go down to the extreme cold weather type, so a cold climate one. And he also wanted it so that it was accessible by Wi-Fi to his phone so he can control the temperature. And one of the products that we put in, that's just standard with them. So I'll figure out a quote for him and put it all together, but enjoy the pictures. The pictures are really cool. I took a little bit of video of the inside and the outside. The other thing that's a little bit of a challenge is the neighbor's property, and the hedge is right up against the end of the building, so we can't get in on the property. But he said the neighbor's great. It's a driveway. You can put your ladders there and you can go right up the side of the building from the neighbor's driveway. Lead time on something like this, we usually can get this done within a week or so.
Walk on this driveway over here to show you the
Around here? Okay.
Yeah.
Nice looking place. Is this your house?
No. So I'm the contractor, and we
all right.
we're just in the on the inside wall. Is on this inside wall.
All right.
But that would mean your line sets have to come down, kick over that roof overhang, and then go back into the wall on the other side of the hedge.
So where do you want the outdoor unit?
On the back wall.
On the back side? Okay,
Yeah.
and the indoor unit on this gable end.
Which it'll be a floor mounted unit as opposed
all right.
to a higher one. Yeah.
All right. We just don't really need all of this video, but
Yeah.
sometimes you can hear it. So right back here in the back corner.
Yeah.
Right out here.
When we walk in, you'll see all the roughing for the electrical there. So we should be good there. The roughing.
Oh, the electrical's all done. Nice job.
So that
Okay.
can tie into that.
Snow's almost gone.
I know, but it means all the presents that have been left in the snow are now
Yeah.
popping right out.
Okay. Yeah, so they don't want any heat or anything for the downstairs part.
No,
So
just
260 square feet.
yeah.
And you want to put the wall, the floor mounted console unit somewhere around here. All right, there or over here?
I'd say right there.
Right on that side?
Yeah,
Okay.
the couch is gonna go there, and it can kind of
All right.
be tucked into the way.
What's this room going to be for?
It's not the space, basically.
Oh, okay.
There's a little washroom in here.
Oh, he's got a washroom.
Yeah.
Oh, isn't that cool?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Wow. I love it. Perfect. So home away from home.
Something like
That's it for this simple walkthrough. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay comfortable and please Stay tuned.